Selecting the right mouse for photo and video editing can significantly enhance your creative workflow. The right mouse offers the precision, comfort, and versatility needed to handle intricate tasks with ease. In this video, we'll explore the best mice designed for creators. These mice feature advanced DPI sensitivity for pixel-perfect accuracy, customizable buttons to streamline your workflow, and ergonomic designs that ensure comfort during long editing sessions. With seamless performance and intuitive controls, these mice are tailored to meet the demands of professional editing software, boosting productivity and efficiency. Whether you're a professional editor seeking flawless results or a creative enthusiast looking to improve your setup, these options cater to various needs and budgets. Let's dive into their features, performance, and how they can elevate your editing projects. Number 1. Redragon Impact RGB LED MMO Gaming Mouse, built for durability and high performance. The Redragon M908 Impact RGB LED MMO Gaming Mouse is a feature-rich device designed for gaming enthusiasts, but it also excels in creative applications where precision is critical. Equipped with a 12,400 DPI optical sensor, this mouse offers exceptional accuracy, making it perfect for both high-speed gaming and detailed editing tasks. With 12 customizable side buttons and 18 programmable macro shortcuts, it allows you to personalize your workflow, optimizing your editing efficiency. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the RGB lighting adds a customizable aesthetic to your setup. Built for durability and high performance, this wired mouse is an excellent choice for those seeking precision, versatility, and style. Number 2. UtechSmart RGB Wired Gaming Mouse, a reliable choice for intense gaming and editing. The UtechSmart Venus RGB Wired Gaming Mouse is a powerhouse designed for MMO gamers and creative professionals. Featuring a remarkable 16,400 DPI high-precision laser sensor, it delivers outstanding accuracy and responsiveness for both gaming and photo-video editing. With 12 customizable side buttons and a total of 18 programmable buttons, it provides extensive flexibility to map macros and shortcuts for various tasks. The adjustable RGB lighting enhances its aesthetic appeal, complementing your creative setup. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable long-term use, while its durable construction makes it a reliable choice for intense sessions, perfect for those who demand precision, customization, and performance. Number 3. Nulea Wired Vertical Mouse, for both work and gaming environments. The Nulea M504 Wired Vertical Mouse combines ergonomic design with modern functionality, providing a comfortable and efficient user experience. Its vertical design reduces wrist strain, promoting a natural hand posture ideal for prolonged use. With 4 adjustable DPI settings, users can fine-tune the cursor sensitivity for precision in tasks ranging from casual browsing to detailed editing work. The mouse also features 11 RGB backlight modes, adding a stylish touch while improving visibility. Compatible with laptops, PCs, desktops, and Macs, it offers versatile connectivity via a simple USB interface. The sleek gray finish makes it a practical yet visually appealing choice for both work and gaming environments. Number 4. TRELC Gaming Mouse with 5D Rocker, a versatile choice for esports enthusiasts and creators. The TRELC Gaming Mouse with 5D Rocker is a feature-packed ergonomic vertical gaming mouse designed to enhance precision and comfort. Featuring a unique 5D rocker, it offers an innovative way to control games and multitask seamlessly, making it ideal for both gamers and professional editors. Boasting a 10,000 DPI optical sensor, the mouse ensures pinpoint accuracy and customizable sensitivity for various workflows. With 11 programmable buttons, you can assign macros and shortcuts to personalize your editing experience. The vertical design promotes natural hand positioning, reducing wrist strain during long sessions, making it suitable for intense creative tasks. Number 5. TechRise Ergonomic Mouse, ideal for office work, gaming, and general use. The TechRise Ergonomic Mouse is a thoughtfully designed wired vertical mouse tailored for both productivity and comfort. Its ergonomic shape promotes a natural hand posture, minimizing wrist strain during extended use. Equipped with a high-performance optical sensor, it supports 4 adjustable DPI, levels up to 6,400 DPI, providing precise cursor control for various tasks. The mouse connects via a reliable USB interface, ensuring consistent performance without the need for batteries. Compatible with laptops, desktops, PCs, MacBooks, and Chromebooks, it is a versatile device that excels in office work, gaming, and general use. Number 6. TECKNET Wired Mouse, a practical addition to any workspace. The TECKNET Wired Mouse offers a reliable and efficient solution for both home and office environments. Featuring 4 adjustable DPI, levels up to 3,600 DPI, it delivers precision and control for a variety of tasks, from browsing to detailed editing. Equipped with 6 responsive buttons, including forward and backward navigation, it enhances productivity and convenience. The USB wired connection ensures stable, lag-free performance, making it suitable for laptops, desktops, and notebooks. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic shape reduces hand strain during long use, making it an excellent addition to any workspace.